of Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, the Modi government is preparing to introduce the long-awaited Direct Tax Code, that is DTC, which aims to simplify and streamline India's complex tax structure. The DTC is designed to make the tax system more user-friendly and reduce compliance challenges. The Income Tax Department has received over 6,500 suggestions from various stakeholders on simplifying the Income Tax Act. A committee under the Central Board of Direct Taxes, that is CBDT, is reviewing the act, aiming to remove outdated provisions and cut down the number of sections. The new law is expected to reduce the existing 298 sections and 23 chapters significantly. Key features of the Direct Tax Code. The DTC aims to simplify tax rules, making compliance easier for both individuals and businesses. Further, it also aims to increase taxpayer participation. By clarifying tax obligations, it seeks to encourage more people to pay taxes. Benefits of the Direct Tax Code. The DTC promises several benefits, including reduced complexity. Simplified provisions will make the tax system easier to understand. Then, increased compliance. A clearer framework will motivate more individuals and businesses to comply. Then there is the unified tax rates. Aligning domestic and international tax rates could attract foreign investment that could act as a benefit. Overall, the DTC is expected to be introduced in Budget 2025. Now, while the process is ongoing, it may take several months before it is fully implemented. What are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.